How to turn on Incognito keyboard on Signal application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on your Incognito keyboard on your Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application. Click on those 3 points up there and click on Setting. Scroll down and click on Privacy. Now scroll down and click on Incognito keyboard. Make sure to turn on this option, and this option request keyboard to disable personalized learning. So it's help you so much. And this is it. And this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.